Hello everybody, I'm approaching the vending machine. So let's start from the top. Hot Wheels and Matchbox. This Alfa Romeo is a new Matchbox casting. 2 red AutoZam. A 1996 Triumph motorbike. The rest is not so interesting, except for this Toyota Land Cruiser Premium. Then we also have the Volkswagen Brasilia in Premium. Moving parts, the Dodge Durango with opening rear doors. Then we have the Volvo Caravan 45 ringgit. They remove or modify the rear bumper to accommodate the tow hook. Okay, twin packs. Okay, I have to turn this way. The Golf series Ford Mustang. This one, the Japan series. The Nissan. Mitsubishi Evolution Rally from BMC Creation. It's very nice. Kaido House, Pop Race Mini GT, Porsche, just 50 ringgit, the Porsche 911. At the bottom we have 2 Tomica. This is also nice, the Nissan Silvia S18. Now at least they painted the Marlboro livery, but we know cigarette is banned from advertising. So thank you for watching. I didn't buy any this round. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.